What's up, my rando schmandos? I'm Logan, aka Randomness E, and in this video we're gonna be reviewing the Oral-B Glide Comfort Plus Mint Dental Floss. Before we get into it, be sure to smash the like, absolutely demolish that subscription button to join the Rando Schmandos, and gently care and love for that notification bell. There's this crazy bug on YouTube that has been randomly unsubbing people from my channel. Last I checked, only 45 people were actually subscribed. Wacky, I know. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, this video is sponsored by Quill. All the time, all the time. It's a medicine that mixes the best parts of NyQuil and DayQuil to create the perfect, existent concoction. Now, let's get started. Actually, first, there's one thing I've been meaning to get off my chest. My merch line, Clothes Laced with Gunpowder, is releasing later this month. Be sure to grab yourself something from my online page before they sell out and are gone forever. Link is in the description. Now let's check out some dental floss! Alright then. I'm probably going to have to blur this out because I think this is identifiable information from my device. As you can see here, this is 40 meters, which I think is actually an improvement from their previous model. I like the packaging it comes in. It's like weirdly inversed. That's pretty cool. Micro-textured is pretty good. That means that, like, actually not sure what it means, but I'm sure it adds to the experience. So let's open this up. Actually, is there anything on the back? Doesn't look like it. Hang on a second. Number 1 dentist recommended floss spring. That's good. They can't lie about that. No companies lie. We all know this. Let's open this up here and see what's inside. This is cool. It's got like a frontwards opening style. That's pretty interesting. Does this, do the IMEI numbers match? Those must be different styles of code. And I probably have to blur these out too, because those are probably also like more related to my device and might get me stolen from or banned from this platform. Oh, it's already got a thing pulled out. Like that? Yeah, so this probably has, like, I want to say the longest battery life out of any Oral-B dental floss that has come out before. And I think this might be my new daily driver, honestly. Like, the benchmarks I've been seeing say that this is probably pretty good, and like, with the new like aesthetics on it, they're like pretty cool and show like how like you can like see through devices, and like the icons are all glassy now. Yeah, and yeah, I think this is pretty nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other content. I've done reviews of so many things over the past few years, and you're never gonna know what I'm coming out with next. Maybe next time I might do a toothbrush. That's pretty cool. Never tried one of those before. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later!